Again to another video. Today we are now playing ERLP. Today guys, maybe in our previous video you see that I feel being a criminal. But today we are gonna be a sniper sniper police tayo ngayon. Sniper police. Or joke lang. Content natin ngayon ay paano maggawa. Okay guys, today we are gonna be a detective for a day. Yes. You hear me? We're gonna be detective for a day. Yes, detective. Okay, we're gonna be detective for a day lang. And are we gonna survive or are we gonna be dead? That is our main goal. Are we gonna dead or are we gonna survive? That is it. We're gonna be a police for a day, guys. For a day lang. Yan. Okay. Unmarked. Undercover. Okay. Okay. Walang antena para number plate, ALPR, civilian sworn, grappler, will cover, plate light, no, grill light, no, side, no, para hindi makita lahat, footer, no, visor light, o sige, isa lang, okay, yun lang. Can we be are we gonna be successful rob being a police or no? Let's figure it out. Guys, wait for a minute. We have a technical issue. Give me 1 minute. Hello, again. Sorry, I got technical issue. Now, a car. Okay. Yours. Look a car. Ilaw. Okay, guys, tara na. Dito tayo dadaan para makita. Okay, let's go. Saan tayo? Meron. Okay na yung ATM here. And a grab. Anay grappler dito. Lagyan na natin. And there you go. Ito na lang natin mamaya. Wait, kung ganon, ito yun. Huh? Shopping outlet. Ang galing ng mga criminal ngayon dito sa game neto. Alam niya kung saan tayo talaga. Yun guys. Saan tayo dito. Yan. Guys. At kailangan mabilis tayo. Parang kilala kong car na yun. Hindi ko alam kung criminal kaya kailangan natin figure it out. I knew it, parang I knew it, guys. I knew it. That black car is... Hindi, iba pa natin para malaman natin kung sino dito. What happened? Bro, what happened? Bro, what happened? What happened? There you go. Matalino talagang kriminal. Okay. Guys, kailangan natin... Okay, guys. We're on the target. Okay, go. Hurry. Okay. Wala pang criminal pa tayo dito. Nagpapatrol lang tayo dito para ligtas ang bayan. Grappler down na natin agad. No! Objective to get in. Ano? Okay, guys. Our objective is like we did not die. Okay, good. Ano, criminal. Criminal. Guys, let's go. Okay. You guys, we are on the scene. You guys, find the suspect. Suspect found. Suspect found. We found suspect. Walang grappler ko. Walang grappler ko dito. Wait, ilipit natin. The blue one. I just think the blue one. The blue one. Yep. I know who the suspect is. Move! Wow. Just keep following me. blue. Turning to a custom. City left turn. We have a blue suspect turning in the left. Yes. What hit to the pedal, guys. We need to hit to the pedal. Suspect the car. Suspect lost. Oh wow! Oh, that's nice. Bro. Okay guys, that's all for the video because this thing is broken, bro. Oh, and guys, thank you for watching. I wish you love this channel and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this with your friends. And guys, let's hit 100 together before end of 2024, guys. Let's hit together. See you. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. See ya.